Chinsa nigo charagire Ikomi chiabona mogorobo mwancho murigereria kerokoro kwegena kwane buna nogendrete kwego kekegima asoko bwati emiroberi yonsi yegetaseni kya Ndizi TV nabwo obwansu bwo Gusii nechinga kingo kwarigania semesa ya Amayia irionkumanya una nara yaya na kwarigania irio mogorobo rero asenchira ere yobwenge nyarabuna sensemo ya Facebook na bagotonyara wetra Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube otonyara wetra Ndizi TV News na somutandao Twitter na bagotwitwetra @Ndizi TV News ero togendre gusanga nabo igo kwemanya make Abigail nyancha manero koine kiachipi chanerio gichawe keira senchira ya bene na nchiretriane Everlyne Osero ngo kwariganywa be kogosanga na nchi wikomerio toko ya chakama yeye Chinsa Ikomi korwase county ya Kisii awase omurobero bokorotota emerobero ya serikali yechsemi bakorekana ritkoria rero ase chiskuru au igati yabo eskuru ya mubampa na boigo gesicho echo chigotoka ase bunge ya Nyaribari Masaba imeye county ya Kisii no murobero bagokorawa no bunge bwe ya Nyaribari Masaba Dr. Daniel Manduku bako bwatrana no bunge bwe constituency ya Kiharu Ndindi Nyoro okwana chinga kiecho Nyoro nigabaga kwegerera serikali ya Kenya kwanza na utauna yaberege ko bwatoka chibesa chinyinge gochiase amagendero yetsemi asekeria borire aborokiwa gotumekari bagerio na boigo enibe ywe yaberege kubekwa ase okobeka omokia ase tsemi.
Tumewekea fedha mingi sana katika masomo. Actually a third of our budget tumeweka katika maneno ya elimu. Precisely 630 billion tumeweka kwa kusaidia mashule zetu na elimu. Na ya mwisho kwa sababu mheshimiwa ananiambia we have many more to go. Ningetaka ni ulize hawa wanafunzi. Nyinyi kazi yenu ni kusoma. Do not worry too much. Because the government has done a lot waiting for you to pass. Ukienda university kwa saa hizi, tuko na mfumo mpya ya kusupport university and college students, where katika fee structure, the highest fee mzazi analipa ni 7%. Na katika this year, yenye wameingia saa hii, na kwenda hata next year, this year alone, 45,000 students from families like ours when we were growing, ile haina pesa mingi, wale wanatoka familia wazazi wako na shida ya fedha, 45,000 of them will go to university and study without paying any fees. Wow.
Asetare aye umraiwense Dr. William Samoei Ruto asorogongo rua luo Nyanza nene county ya Migori nigagendrete go kwanera egatie merobere yo babegetense moyo goikrania amagendero ase abananchi Ruto nigara babwatani bande asomusangerekano bwa masabo yo bwamo ayakorekana ase skuru yo bobundi ya Uriri imeye county ya Migori okwana chinga kiecho nigo abakago tebuna nachikokore mirimo n'abantu bonsi kounereria konde gotayo askari atairabuna ebisaku byonsi imeyese ya Kenya nigo birachikobwataniwa ase amangana ya magendero Ruto nigabaganirie abarai gotiga siasa chyo kwerena magega magendero nabo igo gwatana na aba Kenya nago chamo kobwatana na serikali eri goikirania obokoreri burubya.
Mimi nataka kuondoa kasumba ya zamani ya kusemekana ya kwamba kuna watu wanabaguliwa kutoka serikali ya Kenya. We need a paradigm shift in the politics of Kenya. And that is why I want to say, without fear of any contradiction, that we are going to have a new dispensation in Kenya, where development, working together as a nation, is not going to be on the basis of what community you come from or what party you voted for. It is going to be on the basis of how much resources we have raised together as the people of Kenya using our taxes, and how all of us, without discrimination, are going to benefit from those resources on the programs, on the projects that will be rolled over across Kenya. Hiyo ndio msimamo wa taifa letu la Kenya. So msikuwe na wasiwasi ya kwamba kutatokea na hili ama lile. We are going to work together as the people of Kenya. We are going to work together. We are stronger as a nation together. We are weaker when we are divided. Ndio nimesema ya kwamba hatutaki tena tugawanywe kwa misingi ya kabila ama siasa ya kugawanya watu. Tunataka tuungane, tushirikiane, ndio tuweze kupeleka taifa letu la Kenya mbele pamoja.
Nagokwanira igoro yobochenu muraibense nigabaga goteba bune serikali nebegetemero berio emekirano iyogo kisira ebirengo byobochenu kwaneke buna byabere bigokina imeyense ya Kenya nigateba bune serikali yabereye kubwatoka ebinto birabira tumeke asense moyobochenu anene nabo bisaba lyaberwete kuruwa obokoreri bwobochenu gochiase abananchi ase binyoroime agotena babere bakubwatokerwa ebinto ebirachiko bakonya nigateba baga kwaneke bune serikali nene chikubwatirana ne serikali ye county ya Migori asoko ineki abuna abo bisabo babeire bakoyakanwa chibesa echo kirachie ko bakonya useko basira aso wekirania obokoreri burubya gukwanire goro chibesa echo abananchi bawakana chia NHF rutoni gateba buna bono nigo abananchi barache wanchirwa wakana chibesa echo korengana no konyora kwabo.
Hapa Migori muko na community health promoters karibu 2600-700. Na nimekubali tumetoa equipment kupitia kwa wizara. Equipment ya Migori ni ya karibu 54 tayari imekuja hapa. Our community health promoters wote tutawapatia equipment ama vifaa ya kupima sukari, ya kupima mambo ya pressure, ya kupima magonjwa madogo madogo, na watafanyia hiyo huko nyumbani kabla hata hujaenda hospitali. Tunaelewana? Kwa sababu tunataka afya ipatikane kwa kijiji kabla hata hatujafika kwa hospitali. Na kila mwaka tutakuwa tunatoa pesa ya national government to Migori County, almost 54 million shillings every year. Na county government yenu itatoa kiasi hiyo hiyo. Tuunganishe ndio tulipe hawa community health promoters. Wamekuwa wakitusaidia as volunteers, lakini tumeona tuwapatie marupurupu kidogo. Kwa sababu afya bado inatusumbua. Wananchi wengi bado wanaenda hospitali, gharama inakuwa kubwa, wanauza mali yao, wanauza shamba, wanauza ng'ombe, wanauza nini, watu wanaingia kwa umaskini. Si ni kweli? So nani changamoto ambayo lazima tushughulikie. Tarehe 20 mwezi huu ndio tuna launch formally universal health coverage katika taifa letu la Kenya.
Asensema ya yomo waziri waboerania Eliud Owalo nigamwenekero muraibense buna abarai naboigo abananchi korwase orogongo rwa Nyanza nigo barachi kubwaterana ne serikali aso goikirania amagendro imeyense ya Kenya. Owalo niga uyobaga gotena chinga kichiage siasa chiabere chikoera nigatena goikabarosie serikali egocha aso bwamo nakoni abamenyi korwase orogongo rwa Nyanza korario murembe chinga kichionsi naboigo kubeka obwamba teburubya ubura konye asoko bwaterana agakora imirimo amone serikali.
To pray with the people of Ureli. In this region, Your Excellency of Nyanza, I've said many a time in the recent past, and I want to repeat, that moving forward, we are going to work with your government in the foreseeable future. We want to change the paradigm in this region, from politics of rhetoric, politics of tribe, to politics of inclusivity, politics of development. We are aware, Your Excellency, that you have said that time for politics is over. We are going to be part and parcel of your government moving forward. We want to be part of the re-election of your government in 2027. And as a people, we are not going to wait for you to form the government, then we wait to join. We will form the next government with you, Your Excellency. I want to pray for the people of this region, appeal for peace, and appeal for everybody in this region to work together with the government as we move forward. May God bless.
Chinga kiechboigo Ruto amona baraibande nigo baikirana ase company yesukari ya Sonia sensemo ya wendo imeye county ya Migori eriogo kwanera gosego kwanera igoro yoko ryari chiburi mechando ya berege koenekiwa ase company yo chinga kiagendrete kobwatoka egekuro egetutindi go chiase abakurumi nabo igo abaibi na otabno ndwensi orachi konyorekana nigara bega koimokeriwa egetambokero egetindikeri chiko gokwana chinga kiecho Gavana we county ya Migori Ochilwa yako nigamugania omurai wense gotenenia obogori bwesukari korwa se Chinsa chinde ase chinchira chiabo bisi nigateba buna chibese cyo kigotumeka ase obogori bwesukari nigo chirabe chise kobekwa ase chikampani chesukari mense ya Kenya nigo chirabe chigosira mono ase oboroisia bwesukari nigo mona baga kwegerera abakori emeremo ase kampani yo ya Sony na komugani omurai wense kobeke merobere mekirano yoko eneke abuna tibari go chiagosiria emerimo yabo.
Your Excellency, as a nation we are sugar deficit in production. Hata tukipanua hii Sony mara tano hatuwezi fill that deficit. So occasionally we have to import. I want to request you, do not allow importation of sugar in the hands of private profiteers. Establish a state corporation that will be able to import sugar and give it to distributors at the right price. The money that will be made from that importation tuweke kwa sugar levy, tuweke kwa hii pesa zote za agriculture sector so that we can improve agriculture. Because there is enough money from importation of sugar. And when those barons import sugar, they do not help you, they do not help anybody, they do not help the people. So that is a request that we are making to you. Lastly, because other requests have been made relating to this factory, the workers of this factory during COVID,
na sensemo ya yomokonyi bomurai wense Rigathi Gachagua nigabaga wikirana sumusangirekano bwa masabo asensemo ya Kapsabet imeye county ya Nandi okwana chinga kiecho Gachagua nigabaga goteba buna obwa matebwa enobuyabure amono murai wense na tana goika abantu bonsi ase chinsinyo chonsi mense ya Kenya babe bakorendwa nabo igogo korerwa emerimo bunebwenerete nigo bayigabaga ko nekia buna tabwati bobe bonde bwensi ase murayo nde bwensi oyoganeti gokora emeremo ne serikali ya Kenya kwanza nigo Gachagua abaga kwamochia abarai naboiga bamenyikorwase orogongo rwa Nyanza askeri agoteba buna nigo babwate ebitina byo kugania kubatana na eremo numurai wense.
Nyinyi mnataka hiyo hadishi? Mimi ni mtu ya kuchukua amri kwa raia. Sasa rais akienda huko Nyanza kazi yao tu ni fitina. Huyu deputy president hataki tukuje. Mimi nataka wakuje, lakini si wakuje kuchukua nafasi ya watu yangu ya Rift Valley na ya mlima. I have no problem. Let them come. Kama wameamua kusupport rais, they are welcome. But the way the governor has said, the president and I are not foolish. And we are buddies, we are great friends. Even if we are speaking separately, we are saying the same thing. Tunasema kitu kimoja. Nasema wewe rais enda msituni. Utafute huko ile watu walipotea mizio ile yote unaweza lete chukua tafuta na ukiunganisha Kenya na kwa sababu hao wanalipa kodi uwafanyie kazi. Lakini
Chinga kiechboigo Gachagua nigabaga kubwatoka egekure getindi gochiase obotumeki bwa marwa ayokorengana nera tebire buna abeire kagosiria abasaye bekegori egeke nigo aganirie omuka aba county commissioner akobwaterana nabagambi abaraibe Chinsa naboiga bagaka asoko eneki abuna obotumeki bwa marwa bwabeire bokoera ase Chinsemo au anene ase county yo ya Nandi korengana nere goika omutienyo 12 mwako yega nigo babegete meroberio yoko eneki abuna amarwa ogosobotumeki bwa marwa bwabere bokoera ase Chinsinyo chonsi imeyense ya Kenya chinga kiechboigo Gachagua nigo arwego sererio yogo chikubabuta mono abagambi au batarwekirania emerimo yabo buna ebwenerete
ya Pombe county commissioner well done so far lakini bado 70% you have succeeded, there is still 30%. Please reach out to church leaders and elders. They'll help you in this war. You know, I don't want kufuta machief, but by this Christmas, kama pombe igali iko, I have to sack 10 or 15 chiefs from Nandi waende nyumbani. Na mimi sitaki, kwa sababu si machifu walitupigia kura. It will be very painful for me. I love the chiefs, but I love the young people more. So na nilisema you have to decide kama ni chief ataka ama ni pombe. Na vile pombe hawezi amua haina akili, chief ndio mwenye kuamu. So county commissioner, can you call your chiefs and your village elders in Mbukumu, you have a meeting and you agree. I want
Togotigana nayo nigo ababwatani be kiama kia Jubilee korwase county ya Mombasa baganirie okorusi wabisi asekerogo kyoboriki abwe kiama kyo kia Jubilee Jeremiah Kioni bakora no mubwatani bwe kiama kia UDA asensemo ya Changamwe Alba Kiguru nigo bamumochire Kioni asogoteba buno beirega koreta obotutukanu nabo igo oboturubania ase kiama kyo nigo bamuganirie abega kwerusi wabisi eriori bageriori beliko irwano murai orengete gosobwa tamarora maya yoko imokia gose yoko gendereria ekiamekyo kia Jubilee.
Tumekuwa tusipojenga Jubilee hapa Mombasa kuanzia sasa, hata ni ngumu sana tukienda uchaguzi ujao tuwe na pia na watu ambao watachaguliwa Mombasa. Kwa hivyo tunaomba Jeremiah Kioni kama ameshindwa na chama cha Jubilee, manake tunaona ya kwamba hakina uzito wote chini yake, tafadhali apeane hiyo nafasi tupate mtu mwingine ambaye tutajenga nyumba ya Jubilee upya kwa pamoja.
Chama ya Jubilee is a national party. Ina compete na ODM. Lakini Kioni amekuja kwanza kuleta vuguvugu kwa ndani, kutaka kusema okay, Wakikuyu wakae pande hii. Na hii ni chama ambayo tumekikuza miaka 10, imekuwa katika uongozi. Makosa kubwa sana ukiwa katibu mkuu wa chama kuwa wewe ndio unavunja sheria za chama bila kunjari members wanafanya nini. Kioni mwenyewe anajua yale makosa amefanya, na sisi katika kaunti ya Mombasa tumemuomba resign, na kama hata resign
Negati abara ikorwa segesa ku kiabo kamba bakora wano mokonyi bo mugavana we county ya Machakos Francis Manganki nigo baganirie ogo chamo na kubwatana kwa bara ibonsi korwa segesa kwekyo bunenjiremo yogo konyeka asemerobero au ya magendero korwa se serikali nigo boigo batebire nago ikabarigeri ichibu lyokugayana emechando na boigo amakongu ayo aberega kwenekiwa ase county chorogongo rwabo kamba echichire county ya Kitui, county ya Machakos na boigo county ya Makueni.
We plan that we will continue with this unity because we want to serve our people in togetherness. We are not going to look at which party you come from, because our people have elected us that we can lead them and serve them and help them.
Tunatambua kwamba tumechaguliwa kwa vyama tofauti, lakini vile vile tunatambua kwamba shida za watu wetu katika kila sehemu ya Ukambani kutoka Mwingi, Kitui, Machakos na Makueni ni sawa.
Hii si siasa, hii ni upendo. Tunataka kuonyesha upendo ambao Mwenyezi Mungu ametujalia kama viongozi, na tutaendelea kutembeleana.
We have to unite to take our
Mwancho murigereria inaro na kwariganirete asemesa Amayia ye Chinsa Ikomi chiabona mugoroba korende na mange togenderete go kwariganiria aina ndora chikonyora asenchera ere yobwikiranu ekerera rage ensemo na wigo Chinsa isatonere Josephat Amisi gati abo omuwaziri boburendi bwa Mekiture Kindiki oyogenderete kubwatoka egekurege tindi go chiase ababewa na wigo abasaria bonsi mense ya Kenya ane na bagenderete kubeka obosaganya ase Chinsemo imeye county Lamu na gotayona serikali nabo igochi wizara chonzi choborendi ni igochi abekire emerobere mekiranu yoko bwatrana iriyo koeneki abuna obosagani nabo igo obosaria bwabere bokoenekiwa imeyense ya Kenya na nigaya kwa naritkoria lero chingaki aikira naso musangerekano bwa masabo ase kanise mochinsemo chia Kiamba imeye county ya Kiambu korendayo nochikoya nyora ekerera ragense mo nabo igo Chinsa isato chia mugoroba ngendera gotobwatia ase ensemo ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital, ase ensemo ya YouTube otonyora wetera Ndizi TV News, nabo igaso mutandao Twitter, nabo twitwetera @Ndizi TV News, hero togendere gosanga nabo igo kwemanya mange korenda segeka getari getambe korubono mwancho murigereri buna botambe ritkoria Jumapili omorobere obwemisa Jumapili ngogo chirore eyabaseye mokuru asegeta seni kya Ndizi TV buno kore twasore nere Joseph Mokogoti oyo bwoberega kuyarira nikegima naritkoria rero nabwata bagene ase studio gaiga abuna botambe mbachigo tosesenia na matera mansu iyege Catholic chisala nabo igo ringana ryo munene igo bono mwancho murigereri Jumapili ya rero buno renkagu tobasa goska gendera kobwatia omorobere bwemisa Jumapili iro naye obeko goseseniwa omogoroba orero orione kiachibicha neryo gichawe kera senchira ya bene nigakorokwa Abigail Nyanchama iritriane Everlyne Osero twaro buligereri borobia nabo igo emagoroba irentoereru.
Ndizi TV, ubwansu bw'omugusii. Ekerole asumu chibwogembo nechisemo chietanaine eduka ya Mark Electricals Wholesale ejire registered contractor nigeko ni achi floodlights chonsi distribution box chikebo chonsi chia wiring cable dropping cables ni chindi chinyige mbabwate power extensions sockets switches chimita boxes lamp holders, insulating tapes, conduit pipes, showers, testers, pliers, earth rods, solar monitoring lamps, solar floodlights, CCTV cameras, TV wall brackets, main switches, cutouts, circuit breakers, consumer unit, snake lights, cable ties, changeover switches, nebyobu byonsi, goikabire bya fluorescent tubes, TV aerials, cooking electrical coil, natural gas burner. Banyore imeyomu chibwogembo ange ne stage asegeteseni yokobekira chigali amaguta ya mko. Bosoba keresime ase namba enotisano na ibere isano nisato, isato, eyemo, kianda, isano, inye, gose, enotisano na ibere isano na isato, ibere maragatato, eyemo, isano na isato. Mark Electricals Wholesale asobo koreli burange na sore.